This is how you make your Discord screen. You fix your Discord screen sure not working. Pretty much first you restart Discord, right? So if you have a Discord open up, you just close it up like that, and then next thing you know, it might solve temporary glitches. But if that doesn't work, make sure Discord has permission to capture your screen on Windows. You gotta run it as administrator if you can, but right now I'm on my phone, so I don't think I can do that. But next, you update Discord on App Store or on Play Store, and once you have it, see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll try switching from window mode to full screen, or vice versa if you're on your PC. And lastly, you gotta check your internet connection, disable any overlays like NVIDIA or any other apps that might interfere. But this is for PC, guys. For phone, basically just try to restart it, or maybe just like better yet, you could go ahead and delete the app and just reinstall it and see if that does anything or fixes it. And if it does, bro, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.